In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search GitHub efficiently and make the most out of this powerful platform in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a developer looking for code snippets, a student seeking open source projects, or just a curious enthusiast, knowing how to navigate GitHub is an invaluable skill. Alright, let's dive right in and learn how to do this step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to GitHub's website. Simply type in github.com in the address bar to get started. Once there, you'll notice some options in the top right corner. Look for the sign in button and give that a click. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, you can sign up for free and it only takes a few moments. Now that you're signed in, you're on your way to accessing a treasure trove of resources. The next move is to go to your GitHub dashboard. It's kind of like your command center on GitHub, where you can see notifications, view repositories you're working on, and keep track of your daily activities. You might be asked to verify your identity if you're signing in from a new device or location, which is a great security feature GitHub offers. Once on your dashboard, your eyes will likely wander to the search bar. But hold up, instead of typing manually, you can actually use a neat shortcut feature. Press the / key, that's the hex key on your keyboard. It's a handy trick for speedier navigation and gets that search bar ready for you right away. Now that the search bar is active, ask yourself, what are you looking for? Whether it's a specific user, a particular repository, or an issue you're tracking, entering relevant keywords will do the magic. Remember, being precise with your search terms will often yield the best results. GitHub provides robust search filters, so feel free to experiment with different keywords or phrases to find exactly what you need. On the search results page, the highlight feature can save you time by emphasizing key results. It's a great way to zero in on the most applicable repositories or code snippets. Click on any highlighted term that catches your interest and explore the depths of what GitHub has to offer. And there you have it, folks. You've just learned how to efficiently search GitHub. This simple process can make navigating and finding content on this platform much easier. Feel free to use this method whenever you're diving into GitHub to explore new projects or contribute to existing ones. Thanks for watching and happy coding.